Hi everyone, thanks for looking at this video on driving lessons cork.ie. Today we're going to just do a little short video on a question I often get asked by people who are on their first Irish learner permit. The question is, when can I apply for the driving test? Now there's a bit of confusion in this, so we'll try and clear up the confusion as best we can right now. You can apply for your driving test on your first learner permit whenever you would like to apply for your driving test. It's as simple as that, folks. Now, some people get a little bit confused in that you are told on your first Irish learner permit that you have to wait for 6 months before you can sit the driving test. That is true. You will not get a driving test on your first Irish learner permit until you've waited for 6 months to elapse from the time your Irish learner permit was first issued. But you can apply for your driving test at any time. And they say that you're best nowadays to apply for your driving test as soon as you get your learner permit into your hand, because in some places it's taking maybe 6 months to get a driving test date. So if you apply for your driving test when you firstly get your learner permit, you won't get the date for your driving test until the 6 months are up, but the waiting time for your driving test will be ticking away while you're in your first 6 months of your learner permit. Then when your first 6 months of your learner permit are up, you should be thereabouts at the top of the queue for the driving test. Okay, folks? Hopefully that answers that question. Now, this 6 month waiting period, there's an exemption to the 6 month waiting period. And if you go on to a website here, rsa.ie, and you click on the driver testing tab at the top of the page here, you're brought to this page here on the driving test. And if you click on frequently asked questions, the information you require on the exemptions to 6 month rule is given here if you click on this. 6 month rule, exemptions. As you can see here, folks, the exemptions to 6 month rule apply to a holder of a current valid full driving license from another country or jurisdiction for more than 6 months is exempt from the requirement, provided you forward a current valid original driving license and a letter of entitlement from the relevant licensing authority in that country to the Customer Service Manager, Driver Testing Section, Road Safety Authority, My Valley Business Park, Primrose Hill, Ballina, County Mayo, and there's the air code as well. Now, applicants are advised to forward the original license by registered post. Now, you will get away with waiting 6 months if you fall under this category of person, but you still have to have your 12 driving lessons done. Currently, at the time of making this video, that's the way it is. Okay, folks? So just to recap again, folks, if you're on your first Irish learner permit and you have no other driving lessons from any other country or jurisdiction, you have to wait 6 months before you can get your driving test date, but you can apply for your driving test at any time during that first 6 months. If you want to be exempted from the 6-month rule, the information is here in front of you now on this website, and I'll put a link in the description of this video underneath the video with this information. Okay, folks, it'll be down here under the video. So, folks, if you have any questions on this video, please do comment also in the comment section below this video. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. If you like the video, please do click the like button. Give it a good big like, folks, please. And subscribe to our channel. We like to do videos to help people along with as many aspects of their driving as we can, from the time they get the learner permit until such time as they pass their driving test. So, folks, that's all for now. Thanks for listening. Until the next video, bye for now.